When you work in mining, forestry, waste management, agriculture, container handling, and transportation, you depend on heavy machinery to finish your job on time. But your heavy equipment faces daily challenges. Between rugged environments, extreme weather, and long run times, their engines run at high temperatures. Add trash, wood, or a leak of a flammable liquid like oil, fuel, and hydraulic fluid to the mix, and your machines can experience devastating outcomes. Damage caused by fires can interrupt production, cause unwanted downtime, and lead to costly repairs. Without a proper solution in place, you're putting the machinery, the environment, and your team at risk. The best way to stop a fire before it causes major damage is by installing a vehicle fire suppression system. But having a proper system in place is only the beginning. After a vehicle fire suppression system discharges, it must be recharged. This strict procedure must be performed by a trained specialist. If only Fred knew what to look for in his provider the first time around. Fred is responsible for ensuring that the fleet of heavy equipment at his site have proper vehicle fire suppression systems installed and the support to maintain them. Because the company that Fred initially used to install the systems didn't offer national support, it meant that no one would be available to come properly recharge the system at his remote location. This long and unexpected downtime left Fred feeling frustrated. Now Fred is looking for a provider that will take his projects from start to finish and offer support afterwards. He comes across a company that specializes in fire protection. They visit his remote location for a consultation to learn more about Fred's equipment and manufacturer specifications. Together, they decide on a servicing arrangement that will allow Fred to meet his local legislative requirements, insurance obligations, and company policies. Because this provider is backed by reputable brands like Ansul, Amerex, and Fogmaker, Fred receives competitive pricing. This makes Fred happy. When it's time for a new install, Fred is greeted by manufacturer-trained and certified technicians who ensure his new systems are properly installed to manufacturer specifications. They explain everything to Fred and even provide detailed service reports and CAD drawings. Thanks to their help, his project was completed on time and on budget. That's not all. Now that the systems have been installed, the new provider continues to support Fred and his fleet. Fred can now rely on his new provider to schedule and perform routine maintenance and assist with any unplanned interruptions. This keeps him compliant and his equipment working without problems. On a monthly basis, Fred now provides his boss with a detailed report on the performance of every vehicle. This helps Fred improve his bottom line and become a shining star to his boss. Fred is so impressed with his new provider that he even recommends them to his friend Bob, who is experiencing unscheduled events with his own vehicle fire suppression systems. Are you looking for a new vehicle fire suppression system or a provider to service your existing one? Take it from Fred and call Levitt-Safety today. With branches across Canada, our team of experts will take your project from concept to completion. To get the most of your VFSS spend, call the Levitt-Safety experts today.